French drains have been a common drainage system used to keep homes dry for years. But what are they and how do they work? Stay tuned to find out how a French drain system works to keep your home dry. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. The French drain system was named after Henry Flagg French, the man who invented it and wrote a book about farm drainage published in Massachusetts in 1859. In this video, I'll tell you what a French drain system is, how it's installed, and if it's a good option for your home. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. A French drain system is a system that's using corrugated tile to move surface water away from your home before it gets the chance to seep into the ground and cause more damage around your home. When we're installing a French drain system, we're just going to dig down around the exterior of your home, lay a drain pile with some gravel around it so that it can get to the tile quickly and get away from your home quickly. This is a system taking care of surface water. So this is usually only going to be about 6 inches to a foot deep so that it can capture that water quickly, and then it's going to daylight run to some kind of drain or something away from your home so that it won't come back and cause damage. We really need to evaluate where the water is coming in from and why it's coming into your home. If it's due to just heavy downpours and water standing next to your home with those heavy downpours then seeping into your basement from the top down, then French drain very well may be the best option for you. Now, if that rain's starting to cause a false water table around your home and it's coming from the bottom up around into your floor, around your cove joint, this may be more of an interior drainage option for your crawl space or basement. So we really need to take time to evaluate how the water's coming in, when it's coming in, and where it's coming in at. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about French drain for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.